Alright, good morning. Today we're going to learn how to estimate and divide with greater numbers. So the first thing we need to do is start off with the problem. So we're going to start with our problem, which is 5,390 divided by 25. Now, we need to estimate our numbers, or round, whatever you want to call it. So I know 25 is a good number to keep the same. We're going to keep 25 the same. Now, we need to decide 5,390. Is 5,400 a good number to work with? Or 5,300 a good number to work with? Or 5,000 a good number to work with? Victor, tell us, which number should we work with? Which number is easier to divide? Alright, hopefully Victor said 5,000 was the easier number to divide, because if we look, if we divide 25 into 5,000, what can we multiply by 25 to get 5,000? So how many times does 25 go into 5? It doesn't. How many times does 25 go into 50? It goes into 50 2 times. So 2 times 25 is 50. Then we subtract, and then we bring down the rest of our zeros. Now we can't leave these places empty, so we have to add 2 more zeros. So 25 goes into 5,200 times. Alright? So let's try another problem. And with this problem, we are going to use 1,455 divided by 12. Now, remember, we're rounding and we want to have easy numbers to divide. So, Petra, what are we going to do with the 12? Is it going to stay 12, or is it going to become a different number? Hopefully Petra said 10. 10's an easy number to divide with. Now, let's look at 1,455. There are some choices. We can go 1,400, 1,500, or 1,000. Ricky B, tell us, which one is easier to work with? Hopefully Ricky B said 1,400. Okay, so now let's take a look. How many times does 10 go into 1? It doesn't. How many times does 10 go into 14? How many times does 10 go into 14, Louisa? Hopefully Louisa said 10 goes into 14 one time. 1 times 10 is 10. We draw our line. We subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now, how many times does 10 go into 4? It doesn't. It's too small. So what we need to do is bring down our 0. Now, Natalia, how many times does 10 go into 40? Hopefully Natalia said there are 4 10s in 40. 4 times 10 is 40. and 40 minus 40 is 0. Then we bring down our other 0. Now, we can't leave this place value empty, so we have to add a 4. So our estimate is 140. Now, let's try another problem. Let's see, we're going to go with, draw our house, 3,189 divided by 23. Alright, Zaza, what are we going to estimate the 23 to? Oh, Zaza, that's too bad. The correct answer is 20. 23 is closer to 20. 20 is a good number to work with. Alright, so now we need to estimate 3,189. What is closer? What's a good number? 3,100? 3,000? And I think those are two good choices. Let's see what Lily has to say. Lily, tell us, which is a better number to use in our estimate? Wah, wah. Lily, I definitely thought you would have said 3,000. Now, let's follow our rules of division. How many 20s are in 3? 0. How many 20s are in 30? Ooh, I know. There's one 3 or one 20 in 30. So 1 times 20 is 30. We do our subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. 0 minus 0. And now we have 10. How many 20s are in 10? Danny. Good job. There are 0 20s in 10. Now we have to bring down our other 0. How many 20s are in 100? Yes, that is correct. There are 5 20s in 100. 5 times 20 is 100. Subtract, and our answer is 105. Alright, let's try one more problem together. Let's go with draw our house. We're going to go 7,894 divided by 44. Now we need to do some estimating. So estimate 44 for us, please, Pedro. Good job, Pedro. The correct answer is 40. 44 is closer to 4D. It makes it easier for us to divide. Now we need to estimate 7,894. Remember, let's take a look at what we rounded or estimated our 44 to, which is 40. So what would be a good number, a good compatible number? So let's take a look. We can go 7,894. Whoops, my bad. 7,800 or 8,000. Go ahead, Ricardo T. Tell us, which one is the better number to use? Good job, Ricardo. 8,000 is a better number. These are compatible numbers. It makes it easier for us to divide. So how many 40s are in 8? Danny. Good job. There are 0 40s in 8. How many 40s are in 80, Dudu? Yes, you are correct. There are 2 40s in 80. 2 times 40 is 80. We subtract, and it's 0. But, Dudu, what do we do over here? We have these 2 zeros. We have to put placeholders on top of the hundreds and the thousands place. What are we going to put? Good job, Dudu. We're going to put 2 zeros. Excellent. Alright, I know I said that was our last one, but alright. Our number is going to be, draw our house, 2,264 divided by 27. Alright, Luca, what does the 27 round to? 30. Good job, Luca. You're very smart. Now we need to round or estimate to 2,264. And we can go with 2,200 or 2,000. Which number is more compatible? Go ahead, tell us, JT. Oh, JT. So close. So close. Let's go with 2,200. That's an easier number. Now, once again, follow the rules. How many 30s are in 2? Who should I pick? Who should... Diego, you like to talk a lot. Tell us, how many 30s are in 2? Yes, you're right. There are 0 30s in 2. Jukia, tell us, how many 30s are in 22? Excellent. There are 0 30s in 22. Diego, since you started talking, let's keep going. How many 30s are in 220? Ooh, you have to think now. How many 30s are in 220? Petra, maybe you can help him out. What's that? You think there are 7 30s in 220? Well, let's check. 30 times 7. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 3, 21. Ooh, good guess. So, where does our 7 go, Petra? Does it go over this 2 or does it go over this 0? Oh, Petra. So close. So close. I think you're going to lose a dojo point. No, it goes over this 0. So 7 times 30 is 210. We subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we have to bring that down. How many 30s are in 10? I know this one. There are 0 30s in 10. So now, whoops, we have to bring down our 0. How many 30s are in 100? So if we look at what we did over here, 30 times 7 is 210. And I know that 3 times 5 is 15. And then 3 times 4 is 12. So I might have to go with... What's that, Louisa? 9? No, you're wrong. It's not 9. Juliana, what is it? Yes, you're right. 3. 3 times 30 equals 90. Now we do our subtraction. We have to borrow from the 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. And that leaves us with a remainder of 10. And that is how you estimate dividing with greater numbers.